Hi, in this video we're going to be covering item statuses, how you can tell what status an item is in and how this affects how the item appears. From any item list, for instance pages, items that are in bold are considered active. This means they can display on the website if given a location. Items in a regular font are inactive. These do not appear on the website but can be reactivated later. Items in italics are considered system items. These have been protected from certain edits, and this is usually reserved for items that are key to the website's function, for example, the homepage. Items that are grayed out are secure items. This means the item can only be viewed by a user that is logged into the website. And then finally, items with a strike through are deleted items. You can view the status of any item in plain text by simply clicking the edit button, and it will list the statuses of the item up in the box here.